everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some candy corns. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using polymer clay in the white, and it is Sculpey. I'm using Sculpey in the orange and Sculpey in the yellow. So to get started with my cane for the candy corn, I'm rolling out the colors into snakes. I did a small white, a medium thick orange, and a very smaller yellow compared to the orange. So it's like tiny, big, medium. So now I'm just going to squish it and pull, squish it and pull, and that's all that's to this, is just squish it and pull. And try to not break it, try not to squish too much, but do it to your desired size of candy corn that you want, if you want it to be miniature or if you want it to be bigger. It all depends on you. So after you do that, now I'm just going to take my finger and I am going to kind of flatten out the white part just a little bit to give it a triangular shape at the bottom, to get those little nice tips of white, because you know candy corns are kind of triangular and they have the little pointy white tip. And this is the best way to do it, because most people who make like polymer clay candy corn canes, they usually just cut just triangles. But with my method, all you have to do is just mush the little white part down and you will already have that triangle, and you won't have to waste so much polymer clay, because hello, it's not that cheap. So go ahead and do that, and then once you got that triangular shape, you can take your X-Acto knife or your blade and slice it off. And then after you do that, you can bake it to the package instructions that came with your clay. So that is all to making the candy corn cane. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!